Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a brand new product review. And today we are going to review another ready to eat product from MTR. So guys, this is the MTR Ready to Eat Vegetable Pulao. This is what we are going to review in today's video. So let's get down to the review of the product. So like all other MTR Ready to Eat products, this also comes in a nicely packaged box here. It comes with a cardboard box here and with the red color for the MTR color, which is red. Here we can see the MTR branding right on top, and then ready to eat is written here. Heat and eat is written here. The name of the product is mentioned here. It's a vegetable pulao. Meal time is mentioned here, and a description of the product is given. A delicious medley of rice, vegetable and spices. A tasty meal anytime, anywhere. That's their USP basically. These ready to eat meals can be had anytime and anywhere without any preparation. So what are the benefits of these ready to eat meals? There's no preservatives in it, there's no preparation needed for it, and it's an amazing product which you can eat anytime and anywhere. You can just cook it, just prepare it in minutes. It's easy to prepare and it prepares in no time. Like it just takes around 3 to 5 minutes to prepare it. That's the best part about these ready to eat products from MTR. So yeah, here they have shown the illustration of the MTR vegetable pulao, and it looks delicious from the illustration. Let's hope the actual product looks that good. Current net quantity, you get a quantity of 250 grams of pulao in this, which is not bad. 250 grams of pulao, and let's look at what is there. Like all other MTR products, they have the branding on the side, the MTR branding, ready to eat branding, and the vegetable pulao, the name of the product here. On all the 4 sides they have it. You can see this on all the 4 sides of the box. They have the branding and the name of the product. Going to the back side of the box, again we have the pure vegetarian symbol here. Here we have the MTR branding, and here's the ready to eat thing written. And here it mentioned that this pulao is served 2 people. It's good for 2 people. MTR tip is serve it with Raita for it to taste the best. So you can serve it along with Raita. So you do not get Raita in this pack. You need to prepare Raita separately. Vegetable pulao is written here. There are no hydrogenated fats or artificial colors used in it, which is a very good part of this. Cooking direction, very simple to cook. You just take the inner pack, dip it in boiling water for 5 minutes, and it's ready to serve. You empty the contents in a pan, heat it up, it's ready to serve. You take the pack, put the contents in a bowl, put it in a microwave, heat it for a minute, and it's ready to serve. So easy to prepare, I would tell you. Like, it's really easy to prepare. I have prepared previously in my previous video. I made MTR products and they have been amazing. Like, it really didn't take any time to prepare. Note, this product is ready to eat and can be consumed straight from the pack or warmed up. If you don't want to warm it up also, you can eat it like straight away from the pack. Always store it in a cool, dry place. Do not use the inner pouch if leaking or bloated. Once opened, consume completely. Like, you can't thoda kha ke thoda rakhna isn't possible with this. So you have to consume the whole pack of contents at one time. Then they mentioned the ingredients of the product. It's a product of India. The nutritional information is given here. The shelf life is 12 months, which is amazing. Again, 12 months shelf life for a ready to eat product. And the MRP, so 250 grams of the vegetable pulao, which serves 2 people, you get for just rupees 115. How amazing is that? 115 for serving 2 people of vegetable pulao at rupees 115, which is quite reasonable and good. So yeah, that's all the information on the box. I told you what is the net weight. I told you the best part about it, that there are no added preservatives. You all might think ready to eat foods, they will have preservatives, they will have artificial flavoring, but nothing of that sort is there in these products. So they have mentioned that, they have mentioned it on the box itself. No added preservatives, no flavors added, no hydrogenated fats added here. So which is really good about it. So yeah, this is all the information. The MRP is rupees 115 for 250 grams quantity of the vegetable pulao from MTR. So now let's go ahead and unbox the product. So we'll just tear it open from here. see what comes inside the box. So here, I'll show you what is inside. So here we have opened the box, and inside the box is another silver pouch here. So it says ready to eat with the MTR branding right here. It says ready to eat. The name of the product is stamped on it, Vegetable Pulao. And MTR uses a unique combination of food and packaging technology to keep the food fresh without use of any preservatives. So here again they have given clarification that there are no preservatives in this. And behind the pack they have mentioned the cooking directions again. They have showed you all how to cook it again. You just immerse the unopened pack in boiling water for 5 minutes, or you put the contents in a bowl and put it in a microwave and heat it up. So guys, this is the pouch. We will open it up, we will quickly cook it, and then I'll do a quick taste test for it to let you all know how does it taste and how does it look and how is the aroma and various things about it in the next few minutes. Let's go and prepare the MTR Vegetable Pulao. So guys, here we are taking a pot of boiling water, and in that we are going to dip in the packet of the MTR Vegetable Pulao. So here we go. We're going to immerse it in boiling water and let it be there for 5 minutes, and then we'll empty the contents of the packet in a serving dish, and then it's ready to eat. We are just going to let it be there in the boiling water for 5 minutes. You just want to let it be there. We'll put out the gas and let it stay there in the boiling water for 5 minutes. Just submerge it in water a bit so that the product heats up for 5 minutes, and then we'll remove it in a serving dish and it's ready to eat. So guys, the MTR Veg Pulao, ready to eat Veg Pulao is ready to eat, and this is how it looks after we take it off from the packet. So overall look is nice, it looks really nice, and we can see vegetables here, carrot, but they look like a bit, it has been like dehydrated carrot here. The vegetables look a bit dehydrated, like I feel like they have been dried out. So you can see this, the carrots also, even the peas are kind of a bit hard. I don't know if it needed a bit more of cooking time or something, but the peas are also a bit hard. But the overall rice has a nice aroma to it. I had kept it in boiling water for around 6 minutes still, like a minute more than what was suggested for it to cook. The rice looks that it's perfectly cooked and prepared, like properly warmed up. But it's just a vegetable which look a bit dehydrated. So anyways, so the overall aroma of the spices is nice. The look is getting looks a bit dried out because of the dehydrated vegetables. So anyways, we are going to do a taste test and see how does it go. So here is a taste test for the MTR Veg Pulao I meant. So here we go, we are going to do a taste test of the MTR Veg Pulao. I'm going to take a pea, a carrot and a bean in it as well, and we are going to do a taste test for it. So guys, here goes the taste test of the MTR Veg Pulao, and we are going to do a taste test. Here is a fork full of rice along with some vegetables. The pulao is here. Here it goes. The flavor of the spices is nice. The rice is perfectly cooked. The rice has a good flavor to it. The vegetables are feeling mushy because and a bit dried out and hard to chew. A bit rubbery kind of a thing. Because they are dehydrated. I think we should try cooking it in an open pan. Maybe that would help it better. By sprinkling some water on it. Maybe that way of cooking might just help it look better and taste better. But overall taste isn't bad. It is good. Like it would definitely taste good with raita. But I would say the vegetables are feeling a bit dehydrated and dry. The rice has got perfectly cooked in 5 minutes, prepared in 5 minutes in boiling water. but I feel the vegetables need to be cooked a bit. So yeah, that's my review. I would give it a 3 out of 5 because it fulfills the taste of the pulao, but the vegetables are a bit dried out. If the vegetables were nicely fluffed up and the peas were nice and soft and the overall flavors are good, but just because the vegetables are a bit dehydrated and they're giving that rubbish feel to it, that is the only thing that is negative for me right now in the MTR Ready to Eat Veg Pulao. So guys, yes, that was my taste test and that was my review on the MTR Veg Pulao. So it's a good ready to eat option if you are looking for a ready to eat option for a pulao. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.